In the misty calm of a winter dawn, the wetland breathed quietly under a pale fog. A lone bird moved gently across the rippling water, its bright beak tracing the fragile rhythm of life. When it discovered a lifeless fish, it circled and pecked, each motion a reflection of nature's quiet resilience and the unseen shifts brought by a changing climate.